like this balcony, Bubba? He loves it. Love you.
We have a couple different dog leashes, but this one is definitely my favorite. It's a hands-free option that ties around the waist and then clips onto his harness or his collar. I like it because I can actually be hands-free. So this allows me to push the stroller. I can be on my phone or holding a cup of coffee, and it frees up my hands. It's super sturdy. We have about a 45-pound dog, and this works really well. He's not pulling on it. It's very comfortable. I like that there's also the handles, so if we do encounter other dogs or animals or people on our walk, it's easier to rein him in quite easily. He really doesn't seem to mind it. We've been using this for a long time, and this is our go-to leash.
All right, guys, Roman and I are on a walk testing out my new hands-free leash. Come on. So it's got, it's a belt around my waist. It's got a little baggie, and then it just clips onto it. I do like that it has a couple handles, and by each handle is another clip, so I can clip it shorter if I want. I can adjust it, or you can unclip it and just use it as a regular leash. So cool. I will link it here in a minute.
Okay. No.
We got a new leash system for Tweedledee and Tweedledum here. They seem to like it and don't get tangled as easily as they do with regular leashes. It just means I might break my back, that's all. No biggie.
What, Rowdy? What? It's not a real cat. It's not a real kitty cat. It's not a real kitty cat. Come on.
wanted to show you. I saw someone say that this bungee's not close enough. You can use this hook to pull it closer, so the handle's closer to you.